Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Priceline. So first, open your web browser and go to priceline.com. Once you're on Priceline, on the home page, on the upper right corner of the screen, make sure to sign in with your account. In order to change the currency of your account, you must first find a hotel or a flight. Let's try inputting an example. Where to? I'm gonna click Philippines. Now here, select the check-in and check-out date. Then you can add a car or add a flight. Now click the find your hotel or find your flight. It will open a new tab, and then on the upper right corner of the screen, you can see the currency here. Click that button, the current currency, which is in this example, it's in peso. There will be a pop-up menu wherein you can change and select your currency. For example, we can select the US dollar, wait for it to load, and now you can see that the currency on Priceline is changed. Another example, we can change again to euro. And as you can see, it is in euro. So that's it. That's how you change your currency on Priceline.